So here is my recipe for beautiful glowing skin. It's a very quick recipe that you can use, I would say like twice a week to achieve really gorgeous, glowing, soft, dewy skin. So what I'm doing is just taking some whole milk plain yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of avocado. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Then I'm going to add about, I would say, a 1/4 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, which gives your skin a beautiful glow. And just mash that up. Now, the Greek yogurt has lactic acid in it, which will help to exfoliate your skin and give your skin a beautiful, youthful appearance. It will remove all the dead skin that you have on your face that maybe you haven't been exfoliating or whatever. The avocado will add a healthy glow because it is filled with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So that will give your skin a nice, plump looking, youthful glow. And then of course the olive oil is just excellent for moisturizing your skin. So I'm just, you could use a whisk to beat this. I'm just using a spoon right now, and you get a nice smooth consistency. Make sure that everything is blended in well, and just try to get that as blended as possible. Now what I do is I just make 1 small batch for the week. I'll use this like 2 to 3 times a week. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. I usually leave it on even longer than that. And the oil inside does not make it runny at all because I only used a little bit of it. But I like to leave this on a little over 30 minutes and wash it off, and then use a little bit of, like a rag, to get the rest off of it. And then you will see that your skin is just gorgeous and glowing. Like I said, the lactic acid in the Greek yogurt really exfoliates your skin and gets it ready for the moisturizing benefits of the olive oil and the avocado, which help to plump your skin and make it youthful and glowing. So give this a try. Use this around 2 to 3 times a week. Also, if you have a sunburn, it's summertime, and even if you wear sunscreen, you can get a little bit of sun on your face and a little bit of color. If you want to soothe that, or if you forgot your sunscreen, then you can apply this, and it's so cooling and really, really nice to feel on your skin, and then wash off and you see the beautiful results. So give this a try if you want healthy, smooth looking skin, and let me know in the comments if you like it. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.